Hey everyone, Trevor here from Vinyl Sound. Today we are checking out the Yamaha A-S3200 integrated amplifier. In the pursuit of innovation and musicality, Yamaha presents its flagship integrated amplifier. Meticulously designed from the ground up, the AS3200 realizes the ambitions of the artist and establishes a new benchmark in high-fidelity audio. The fully balanced circuitry used in the 3200 yields a number of listening benefits. Delivering an impressively low signal-to-noise ratio ensures a silent noise floor. The design also adds improved channel separation, producing a soundstage that almost makes the entire system disappear, giving the listener the feel of being in the room with the artist. Aiming to achieve a deep rhythmic and melodic bass from the music, Yamaha's mechanical ground concept achieves this, allowing an expressive and rhythmic bass by maximizing rigidity and reducing any unwanted vibration. Completing the rigidity of the amplifier are the heavy-duty brass feet used. The 3200 has a built-in Phono amp comprising of an MC head amp and an equalizer amp, each of which are discreetly configured, resulting in a rich sound with pronounced musicality when playing vinyl records from both MC and MM Phono cartridges. The luxurious speaker terminals are cut directly from pure brass and achieve a highly secure connection. As for power, the 3200 delivers 100 watts at 8 ohms and 150 watts at 4. On the front panel, we have elegantly designed switches and knobs, along with exquisite level meters to visually present the dynamics and pulse of the music. With the perfect blend of aesthetic beauty and acoustic performance, the Yamaha AS3200 is a staple for any hi-fi system. Come on in and check it out or visit us at vinylsound.com. Thanks everyone.